Show up, baby girl, you gotta show up. Show up, show them that you really glowed up. Glowed up. They still hating on you, so what?
Happy Sunday. So, I'm just not waking up. You can hear my voice. I'm starting this vlog off in bed because, y'all, we went out to eat in my stomach. So, it's like almost 1 o'clock. But I think today, I'm going to take it easy. I have a lot to do. I want to do some schoolwork and buy some products for my kid. What else do I need to do? I don't know. I'm taking today easy. Oh, I have a live. Didn't I say I have a live? I have a video to work on. Okay, I'm not taking it easy. I got stuff to do. I'm going to take some Tums, drink some coffee, drink some water, and hopefully my stomach starts agreeing with me in my head. Alright, so I am currently making coffee. Well, I currently made it. But the coffee I like is this one. Well, I don't usually like it, but it was on sale. It's the Colombian. It's Spanish coffee. I like Spanish coffee. It was buy one get one free. Publix. So, I really have been trying out different types of coffees just to see which ones I like. And I do like that one, so whatever. I made my coffee, and my creamer I have been using is this one. It is the Coffee Mate zero sugar hazelnut. Anything with zero sugar, I prefer it, but it's still sweet. But it's zero everything else. It'll make me feel guilty, so I'll take it. We mix a little bit of this. What's up, YouTube? Okay, so as you guys saw earlier, I was finishing up my notes for my live today because today is Sunday, October 3rd. Yes, October 3rd, because I've been seeing the Mean Girl meme, so that's how you know it's October 3rd. Ew, I'm gonna freaking crash over a mosquito. Y'all, they bite me so easily. Yeah, I was writing the notes for my Sunday sit and sip. Today's topic is being intentional, and it's funny because I really want to properly plan out my topics, but I also don't want it to be a topic thing. Like, I'm not here to be some guru of knowing everything. Like, I thoroughly do my research. I really love that topic. And it's kind of something that just came to me. Like, last week's topic was self-love, and that kind of came to me as well. And it's all things I'm actively doing for myself. So I'm like, oh, this would be a perfect opportunity to kind of share it with somebody else, and maybe it'd be some type of encouragement. If it touches them, it touches them. If not, then whatever. But it's also something that they can listen to on their drive to work, and it's not just for the girls. Like, I know guys be on my platforms as well, and I think it's perfect for both. So yeah, I definitely want to be able to share some small businesses on my live, or I don't know, just make it a way to really connect, and it's something for everybody. Like, I'm very, that sound crazy, but I'm for everybody. Like, I don't want to just single out my girls. Like, I love y'all. Super excited to have something like this on my Instagram, and kind of understanding, like, it's 2 social media platforms, and there's multiple ways to connect with people without just dropping content constantly. Because I'm gonna be out here dropping content, you gonna be like, who's this chick? Like, why do I care what she got on? Why do I care what type of lipstick she got on? Of course, I want you to care, but why would you want to care? Type of thing. Like, you'd rather care if it was somebody you trust and you truly connect with, right? So that's really what I'm trying to do. There's no ultimatum behind it. I'm currently driving to Sephora. Well, I'm picking up my friend and I'm heading to Sephora because I need to add more things to my kit, my makeup kit, and I'm really trying to change out the products and enhance them, and overall just have a better oh my gosh, it's something in my throat. Overall better client experience as far as products and things like that. I'm just upgrading every little piece I can. I'm just upgrading myself, my personality, whatever I can do. Upgrading, you know, how I conduct business, because I know in the past, like, I don't think I did a terrible job, but you can always improve. So I'm just really trying to find ways to, you know, get better. Oh, they about to crash. Ooh, what in the ghetto? Yeah, I'm trying to update my kit. I got things I want to include and add. I want to buy some more foundations and try to play trial and error and really update, like, my techniques and stuff. I don't think my techniques are bad, but like I said, you can always improve. Oh my God, I was about to hit somebody. You can always improve. So sure what's happening. Of course, like, I've never been the best as far as skincare. I have things that I absolutely love and that do work for me, but my skin's so sensitive. So half the time, I've had people ask me for a skincare routine. I'm like, are you sure? Because I know you see the scars on my face. Once I moved to Atlanta, I really had to learn how to redrive. Like, you wouldn't catch me on no type of highway. You wouldn't catch me. If it wasn't the streets, baby, I was not getting in the car. Forget the highway, I wasn't getting in the car. So, yeah. I'm trying to think, do I want to go to the mall? Nah, I'm good. Yeah. Anyway, so I will see you guys shortly once I get to Sephora. I'm going to show you some of the things I get. I'm going to change out some foundations and hopefully some primers and skincare products. So yeah, I will see y'all shortly and let you guys know kind of what I got. I might do a little haul view. And I actually need to order some clothes later because I'm looking at my closet. I'm like, bro, I don't have nothing in my closet I actually like to actively wear. A lot of my clothes are from when I was probably younger or as athleisure, and I really need to get my life together. So I will show you guys that, and I really want to film a video later so I can be on top of my content this week. As you guys can see, I'm clearly vlogging, so my video for Thursday is set straight and whatever. So yeah, I am trying to be on top of it and prepared this week. I want my videos to drop on time when they're supposed to. So there's that.
I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you.
Stop by Sephora, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get home and probably stop. But I had gotten some more foundations and things like that. But I got this pre and probiotic yogurt or drink or whatever from Whole Foods. It's kind of nasty, but I'm someone who's like, okay, it's healthy, let me give it a try. I guess I expected it to be sweet, but it only got like 4 grams of sugar. But it has like 18 grams of protein, and I just had like a lunch, if you would, and it was like a vegetable dumpling, which was really good. That was tasty. And then edamame, which edamame is like, I got a hate and love relationship with it because when it's like raw, the skin's, I can't crunch it. Like, the beans are good, but they're all slippery and it's not quenching my craving like it needs to. But this, I'm just gonna have to guzzle it because it does have the protein I want in it. But now I'm gonna go home and try to clean up a little bit before I start my live. I think I'm gonna do some type of shrimp alfredo for dinner. Typically when I'm making a pasta dish, I will do like the regular kind for my husband, but for me, I like to do a healthier version. And my pasta is the garbanzo something pasta. I'll show you when I start cooking. But so I am home. I'm about to cook dinner. This is what I was talking about. So I don't know if you can hear me, but 22 grams of protein per serving, and a single serving is 2 ounces. Girl, I'd be hungry, so a double ounce for me. Duh. Even though calories is important, if I'm getting a lot of protein in it and I'm not eating heavy throughout the day, or if I worked out, this is a great source of protein on top of whatever meats you put in it. So that's 44 grams on top of whatever meats. So it could easily be like a 60-gram protein meal. Go get you some. I'll show you guys what I got from Sephora. Oh, my nose looks crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick from Sephora because I did get a few things to update in my kit. I'm redoing all my foundations. So right now I have like all the Maybelline ones, and I really want to just be able to offer my clients really good quality everything. Maybelline is really, really good, and a lot of artists do use Maybelline, but I think I want to really update my kit and provide 100% quality. So, sorry. I have 3 of these Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundations, and for reference of what they actually look like, excuse my forehead, oh my god, I'm having the worst skin issues these days, but they look like these. So if you're new to Nars, this is what they look like. Ew, mix that guy up, it's all separated. Anyway, I got that, and then I got the Milk Hydro Grip Primer as well. I heard great reviews on it, and I definitely want to try it out for my clients, see if they like it for all skin tones. It does say it's for like dry to combo, I think, but I think it would be good for oily. Oily people need hydration in their skin. So yeah, and then I got my, yeah, I just finished the live for my Sunday sit and I'm so tired, I can't even get my own stuff right. Okay, this week's sit and sip, I do it every Sunday. Ignore my skin. I'm so like burnt out, like I'm exhausted, and I didn't even do that much today. My body is just like, bro, give me a break. So I just ripped off my lashes, but this is a vlog, so we're not trying to be cute. Yeah, I just finished my sit and sip. It went really well, and I got my lights and everything up. I did take all my notes from my planner or my notebook that I pre-planned for this video, this live. So tired. I'm sitting here drinking coffee at 7:40 at night, but the thing about it is it has collagen powder in it, which is really good for your skin, hair, and all that. So hopefully it can fix my pepperoni forehead that we have going on. This looks dark. Yeah, so I really want to film a video, but I might just have to wait until tomorrow, and then I'll just edit it down because your girl's exhausted. Yeah, if I find some newfound energy tonight, then maybe I'll do it just so that the footage is ready for me to edit down. But bro, I'm so tired. I got that done though. I showed you guys earlier my products and stuff that I did order for my kit, and I'm super excited to include it and just really try them out. I mean, I already know how the product works, but just to see on all of my clients how beautiful the finish is. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go. This might be the end of this vlog. If I do decide to film my video, you guys might see a little bit of a behind the scenes foot within this video. I don't know, we'll see. You guys, I'm currently filming in the middle of a video, and as you can see, this is like some of it so far. You're gonna really see the quality of it in my video because it's not giving it justice. It's really looking really crazy because it's my phone. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. I currently have a wing and some lashes. I'm gonna put on a red lip, but if you want to see the whole look, then check that video for all the details. But yeah, I was gonna go to bed, but girl, I got work to do, so I'll see y'all when it's finished. So this is the final look. Everything is done on my face. By the time you guys see this video, my video will be up for you guys to see all this. But yeah, so I just completely finished the video. I'm adding in some little reels and TikToks just to do and have, and then I'm done recording for the night. So yeah, as always, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.